is a very special video, and I want to tell you about a scholar who taught the world how to practice sociology with profoundness, Professor Andre Bete. He was one of the most important sociologists that our country has ever produced. But more than that, he was a teacher who shaped generations of sociologists. I was blessed with the rare privilege of being one of them while he taught us at Delhi School of Economics. His class was training us in intellectual discipline. Professor Bete's academic journey itself tells a story. He studied at Presidency College in Calcutta and later completed his doctoral work at Delhi School of Economics, where he was the first in the history of the country to complete his PhD. At a time when Indian sociology was still getting defined, he helped give it methodological confidence. One of his most important works were his early contribution that came from his fieldwork in Sripuram village of Tamil Nadu. यहीं से आई his landmark work, Caste, Class and Power. But what made this book special was not just the topic and depth, but it was also the method. उन्होंने caste को isolated system के रूप में नहीं देखा. He studied it alongside class and various forms of power. Over the years, his scholarship expanded far beyond this book. He wrote deeply on various topics like inequality, stratification, social institutions, university and higher education, democracy and public life. As a teacher at Delhi School of Economics, Professor Bete was calm, precise and uncompromising about clarity. अगर आप casually कोई चीज बोल देते हो, he would very profoundly ask, what is the evidence? What is the basis of this argument? और उस एक question से आपको समझ आ जाता था कि sociology opinion नहीं है, thought provoking reasoning है. He also served the Indian academia beyond his classroom as the chairperson of ICSSR, as a public intellectual and as someone deeply concerned with the future of universities and academic freedom. Yet he always maintained independence of thought. He did not belong to camps. He did not write to please any fashion. उनके लिए सबसे बड़ी value थी intellectual honesty. In a time when loudness is often mistaken for depth, Professor Bete stood with quiet authority. आज जब हम उन्हें याद करते हैं, we are not only remembering a great sociologist, हम एक standard को याद कर रहे हैं of how to observe society, how to write with restraint and how to teach without ego. मैं खुद को बहुत fortunate समझती हूँ कि मैं उनके classroom में बैठी, उनसे सीखा और देखा कि सोशियोलॉजी को कैसे समझना चाहिए. प्रोफेसर एंड्रे बेटे shaped sociology, but more importantly, he shaped how scholars should think. दुनिया में जब कोई भी सोशियोलॉजी पढ़ेगा तो उन्हें प्रोफेसर एंड्रे बेटे का नाम जरूर पता चलेगा. He shaped generations of sociologists. He shaped us. He will always remain alive in his writings that will be read much beyond his existence. May we honor him by keeping his standards alive.